How we doing, HQ fans? I want to show you something. We're all waking up from a long winter, and I've been wondering why one of my Arborvitae trees here, I've got 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. That one looks good on the right. The dead center one looks okay. That one doesn't, and I've kind of figured out why. Let's see here. Can you see those? Can you see that? That, my friends, is called a bagworm. Believe it or not, we're doing a lot of research on these things, and that is a caterpillar that makes this cocoon in the fall, laying a bunch of eggs in this thing, and I have got to pick them off one by one right now. They're mostly, from the research I've done, in a worm or a caterpillar from the East Coast, but I haven't heard of these things up until about last year, and now I'm seeing them all over the place. So I've got a big task ahead of me. Everybody watch out for your trees. Bagworms are here. Thanks for joining me. You can find this and a whole bunch of home improvement DIY tips at BrianCarlinHQ.com.